Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTubers, how are you? I think you are good. I'm fine. My name is MD Sohanur Rahman Sel. Welcome to Python tutorial 24. List. Today we learned in Python some of the use of the list, how the list work and how the coding work and so on. Let's start. Enter a variable name here, gives square bracket and put some string here. Variable name equal to square bracket and write here some string. Write here print statement and this is write here variable name. Run the program. See how the coding looks like the way we run the program after square bracket 5 string in between. We are now here at individual element access basic index. I can access individual character in the index for this string. Let's see. Enter here the square bracket and the specific index. Type 0. Let's run the program. See the first element in this index is because 0 writes. This is how the program starts with 0. However, depending on the coding in the program, how much to start from. Now, if we want to show the 3 number elements in the program, then you have to write 2 in this index. Let's write 3. Run the program. Pair. See, in this index we have written 2 for this reason inside the square bracket of the variable. It shows here the element number 3. Now if we want to show the last element in the program Rajiv, we need to write in this index a -1. Let's write -1. Run the program. See, after all the element that was Rajiv, the program is showing. Now if I write -2 in the index, then the program will show the last element, the previous element. Right here -2. Run the program. See, before the last element pair, here is the element that looks exactly the same. There are other ways to display individual characters. Let's see. And the 3 here, following by a colon. Here the program will show the rest of the elements excluding the first 3 elements. But now the program does not count through to 0. It will start from now on. Let's run the program. Here are the first 3 elements. Turjo, Tawhid, Joel have cancelled the remaining 2 elements showing Pierre and Rajiv. Now, if you want to, we will show the middle elements excluding the first element and the last few elements. Then we need to write the index of the number we want to exclude from the number and then the colon. After the colon, I will write how many number I want to exclude after the element. We write 1 here and then the colon. Now write 4. Let's run the program. See, the first element Turjo is dropped and the last element is missing Rajiv. Thank you very much because you watched the entire videos. Just watch it and practice all the videos. One day you will be a professional programmer. Click the subscribe and bell icon to watch the next video. I wish you the best in your life. You are always good. Bye.